Welcome, everyone, this is XIAOMI Mi 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, we will need this SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. It comes provided with a device in the box, so you can get it from there. And once you have it, simply pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom of the device. So you can get it in light right over here. Have a little bit of a hole, and once you push it in, you will see that the tray pops out. Once you take it out, you actually have space only for 2 different SIM cards, so unfortunately no SD. So let's grab our SIM card, and all you need to do is place it like this. So if you're holding it kind of like it's supposed to go in, the cutout on the SIM card is going to be on the bottom left corner, and if you're using the first one, the one closer to the actual plastic part of the tray, then you need to flip it, I believe, and the cutout will be on the upper right side. Now whichever space you occupy, it's completely up to you, there's no difference. But from there, simply take it and insert it back into the device. There we go. And you should get a prompt to, at least for me, to insert a pin for the SIM card. And there we go. That is the SIM card being inserted. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.